An X-ray machine requires careful consideration when incorporating it into an electrical system. First, let's discuss the load calculation. The X-ray machine in this scenario requires a 100 amps breaker at 240 volts alternating current, translating to a maximum load of 24 kilowatts. This 24 kilowatt load must be included in a total load calculation for the chiropractic office. Next, let's review the branch circuit conductor sizing. According to the National Electrical Code, the branch circuit conductors for an X-ray machine must be sized for the maximum load. In this instance, the maximum load is 24 kilowatts, necessitating conductors rated for at least 100 amps. There are also special considerations to keep in mind when working with X-ray machines. Firstly, motor load. X-ray machines typically have a motor that draws a high starting current. This starting current can be up to 6 times the full load current. To prevent damage to the motor, the branch circuit breaker must be capable of handling the starting current. This leads to the topic of overcurrent protection. The branch circuit conductors must also be sized to handle the starting current. The ampacity of the conductors should be at least 125% of the full load current, which in this case is 100 amps times 1.25, equaling 125 amps. A separate circuit should be used. The X-ray machine should be connected to a dedicated branch circuit to avoid interference with other equipment. Isolation is an additional factor. If the X-ray machine is connected to a 3-phase panel, an isolation transformer may be required to isolate the X-ray equipment from the rest of the system. For additional notes, consult with a qualified electrician or X-ray equipment manufacturer for specific guidance and compliance with applicable codes and regulations. It is important to refer to the National Electrical Code and local building codes for detailed requirements regarding the installation and operation of X-ray equipment. Always prioritize safety and compliance when working with electrical equipment, especially high-power devices like X-ray machines. Understanding the load calculations and circuit sizing requirements is crucial for a safe and efficient installation. Additionally, remember to consider the motor load, overcurrent protection, and isolation needs to ensure the longevity and proper functioning of the X-ray machine. Always double-check local and national codes to ensure adherence to the strictest rules and guidelines, as these regulations are in place for everyone's safety. Prioritize consulting with professionals to ensure safety and proper functionality.